Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're coming here from On the Hook Crochet, welcome. I'm so excited that you've tuned in to watch my very first video, Classic Diamond Art, and that's what I'm calling this series of videos. And I'm so glad you're here. If you're from On the Hook Crochet, I thank you for joining me. I wanted to show you something very quick today that was sent to me by a company called Craft Ease, and they have asked me to receive a diamond painting and open it up on camera, show a little bit about it, and then I'm going to work on it and show progress as well. So this is the painting that I ordered. This is called Meat for Lunch, and the artist is Penelope Hunter. And one really nice thing about Crafties, and there's their logo right there. I appreciate them putting their logo on their actual canvas. But this is a painting by Penelope Hunter. As I said, she is a wonderful artist from Johannesburg, South Africa. And she has painted beautiful animals and the terrain there in South Africa. And one of the paintings that just struck me was this particular one. She used to call it, or she still calls it, Meat at Acacia. And acacia is the name of the trees that the giraffes really love to eat. And so these two giraffes have met at Acacia. But what I wanted to show you here in particular is that this is a very whimsical painting. That's what inspired me to select this particular painting, because Penelope has used whimsical colors to outline, or to fill in actually, her giraffe outlines. And the giraffes are not obviously pink and red and green and yellow colors. Giraffes are generally brown and black. But she's taken those colors and made this a very whimsical painting. In addition, the tree at the top and the trunk are both blue, which is very unusual, obviously. So she's taken some very whimsical colors and thrown them into this painting, and has really made it exciting to look at. Instead of just two giraffes eating from a tree, there are two very whimsically colored giraffes eating a blue tree. So I just thought was really neat. I just wanted to show that to you. The colors are just gorgeous that she uses in here, and I cannot wait to start diamond painting this. So I'm going to take you to my work table, and we're going to open this up actually as Crafties asked me to do, and show you how it's packaged when it comes. And if you're interested in going to the Crafties website, I'll have some links down in the description box that you can go to as well. Now, on my next video, I'm going to have a special giveaway of a diamond painting from Crafties, another diamond painting, very beautiful, and it will be on my next video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Now, here we go to my work table, and we're going to open this up as it appeared in my mailbox. So take a look, and we're going to look at some of the beautiful drills that come with this and the toolkit that comes with it as well. So let's take a look. I'm going to quickly open this up because I've partially opened it already. Let's see if I can get into this. All right, it comes with an outside kind of a plastic cover, and then the inside looks like it is bubble wrapped. It is bubble wrapped. So let's cut this off. Let's see if we can get this off real quick. I'm just going to cut down the middle here. And slip it out of here. This is a nice box that it comes in. This says a Diamond Art Kit right there. And how is Crafties different? It says we actively promote independent artists and collaborate with them by remunerating them for their hard work and inspiring art. And that's very true. Remunerating them means paying a commission to the artist who has allowed Crafties to create a diamond painting of their painting. Here is their label, the Craft Ease logo right there on the canvas, which is nice. Let's open this up and see what's inside. And here we are. This is a really nice canvas. It looks like forest blue. Love, love, love this artist. I have gone on her website and looked at some of her other work, and it is quite beautiful. I'm just going to roll this backwards real quick because that's a real easy way to get this to lay flat. There it is. Now this very sticky canvas. Let me pull this back just a little bit, and we'll kind of straighten it out a little bit because the cover is a little bit wrinkled, just a tiny bit. But there's no reason to work on this right this minute. I just wanted to show this to you, and I want to take a look at the drills as well. And I'm seeing a legend on here, which is along the side here. There are 25 colors in this painting. So they do give you the DMC numbers, they give you the code, and also the numbers that correspond to that. And again, I'm going to put this up very close so you can see the symbols, and they are very, very clear as well. So I look forward to working on this. This won't take me too long to do. It looks like a lot of gray there. Lots of gray. And there's some kind of an orangey color. There's some teal blue. Lots of tan. There's 3 bags of tan. A tiny little bit of red. That doesn't look like very much. Look how shiny those are. Those are beautiful. Let me get them over here where you can see those. Beautiful, beautiful drills. Look at that. And they're kind of a yellow color. That would be 103. That's the number 9, which is in. Let's see where those go. Just here and there on the canvas. I'm primarily in the giraffes. That's what it looks like. Primarily in the giraffes. And there's the orange color, the beautiful more AB drills. There's some gray, some gold, and lots of blues. There are lots and lots of blues. And here's another strip. Let's look at these real quick. Oh, there's more red there, and some navy, a little bit of yellow, some kind of a blood red, and some darker colors. There's some more AB drills. Look at that. Oh, those are beautiful. Really more like a crystal. Very pretty. I can't wait to get started on this. I'll kit this up, and I'll do some progress reporting on how far I've gotten with this. So if you haven't ever tried diamond painting, I suggest that you do. It is a wonderful, wonderful craft. Now let's take a look at the toolkit that comes in the package. This is the little Ziploc case that comes in, and it comes with a regular size tray, a little white tray, and 2 pieces of wax, which the pink wax that comes with it, and also 2 pins. And these are interesting. There are 2 pins in the kit, which I've not seen yet, and they each have a single placer on one end, and on the other end there is a multi-placer for 3 and a 6-placer on the other side. So you have 2 different multi-placers and 2 separate pins, so you can invite a friend to help you place drills. That's really interesting. And then 2 comfort grips as well. So I have found that these are just really fine. I have bought a larger pin to use with my diamond painting, but I don't always use it because it's heavy. And these are so lightweight. They're very easy to work with, and your hand does not get tired working with these, especially when there's a comfort grip in there. So it comes with 2 comfort grips, 2 pins, 2 multi-placers, 2 squares of wax, and 1 tray. That's a very nice toolkit. I like it very much. Now, as far as the measurements, this says it is a 45 by 45 centimeter painting. It is actually a 39.5 centimeter by 39.5 centimeter canvas. The actual canvas itself, the full measurement, is a 45 by 45, but the actual picture is not that big. But it is a very nice size, beautiful canvas. I'll get this up here where you can see it again. It's very, very beautiful. And I appreciate Crafty sending this to me and asking me to work on it and doing an unboxing, which I've done. I really like this. My overall impression is that it's very nicely branded, If you can see that, they've put their brand here, they've put their brand here, and their social media contacts here. I shouldn't have any problem finishing this fairly soon. I hope you enjoyed that look at Meat for Lunch by Penelope Hunter, the diamond painting that I've selected to do from Craft Ease. There's also a giveaway coming up, so don't forget that. And they also, at Craft Ease, offer paint by number. I may do one of those in the future, but they also sell the paint by number version of Meat for Lunch, but I'm focusing on the diamond painting this time. So if you're interested in taking a look at their website, be sure to use the links down in the description box, and I will see you next time on Classic Diamond Art. See you then.